Good morning, everyone. The new topic is circles. Circle, yesterday also I told you, if you want to define circle, that is very simple. You can say it is set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. This fixed point we call it set of points which are at equal distance from a fixed point. This case, the fixed point is O, your center, and the fixed distance is known as radius or small r. We denote by like this. So the perimeters we have written over here were, the first was circumference and second was area. What was the formula of circumference, class? We have done yesterday also. What was the formula of circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r, and the area is given by pi r square. Pi is a irrational number. It is an irrational number whose value is pi equal to 22/7 in the fraction form, which we use normally, and pi equal to 3.14 if given in question. If question is telling you to use this value, then only you will go for this value. Normally, we will take only 22/7. Is this clear to everyone? Plus, the value of pi we will normally use as 22/7 in the questions. If it is given to you to use 3.14, then you will go for that. Now, let's start the questions. Question number 1. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Sir, can you repeat again? First, tell me your correct name. It is not your correct name. Then only I will repeat. Okay. What's your name? Question number 1 we are going to discuss. We have to find circumference and we have to take the pi as 22/7. They are confirming this thing. Suppose we take this B part, that radius is given to you as 28 millimeters. So my name is Daksh Bharadwaj. Okay, Daksh. Sir, if the question is not telling that we have to use which of these, the trick we can find if there is a multiple of 7. Yes, normally we go for this fraction only. So I could understand the circumference and pi at all. It will be clear to you in class 9th. We will study in class 9th about rational and irrational number. Okay, in class 9th you will study that numbers are of two types: real, imaginary. Then there is rational and irrational. In that irrational number we will have this pi value. Okay, for now just understand this thing. Okay, for now just understand this pi equal to 22/7 you have to use in the formulas. One more trick I want to give you. Whenever you have a curved surface, class, whenever you have a curved surface like circle, cylinder, cone, you will get this pi over there. Okay, this pi is associated with each figure which is curved. So please explain area and circumference of area, rules of circle. Kritika, circumference I've told you is 2 pi r. If you take a thread and keep on the circle like this on the boundary, and then you use this formula 2 pi r, you will get the same value of the length of thread and this value. Okay, try to understand this thing. Again, by observation, this formula must have come. You are having a bangle at your home. Okay, if you use a thread around the bangle like this, okay, then take out the thread, measure its length, find the radius of the bangle. After finding the radius of bangle, if you apply the formula 2 pi r, you will find that the value of 2 pi r solution and this length that you have found was equal. Okay, this is some sort of correlation between the formula and the actual length of the thread. So this is helping us, this pi is helping us to find the length of curved surfaces. Is it okay now? In class 9, we will discuss all these in details, but not right now. Yes. Perimeter and circumference are same things. Only for curved surfaces, we call it as circumference, but it is perimeter only. The boundary of the curved surface. Okay, class? Is it fine now? And area is the inside portion. Now, question number 1, as we were discussing, we have a circle of radius 28 millimeters. Let's find the perimeter or the circumference is given by 2 pi r. Daksh, don't worry, just understand the formula and how we are using it. With time, it will be clear to you, don't worry. So 2 into 22 by 7 for pi. What is the value of r? It is 28. Only we have to solve this and we get the answer of circumference. That is 7 1 is 7, 7 is 28. And the answer is yes. Circumference is another name for perimeter for curved shapes. So 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, then 1 is carried, and the answer is 176 millimeters. Yes, Mokshita, correct. So this way we can find the circumference of a circle. Okay. Now let's take one question of area also. Find the area of circles. Again, we have the formula. Daksh, there is nothing to understand. If you have the formula, they are asking you something like circumference and area. It is similar like square and rectangle. Okay. Sir, the circumference is 2 pi r. So can it be taken as pi d? Yes, it can be taken, Kushita. If you want that way, it can be done. But sometimes it confuses us when to take the diameter, when to take the radius. Better you stick to the radius one. Okay. Sir, what is the formula of area of circle? The formula of area of circle is pi r square. Sir, in class 7th, I learned that how to multiply and writing in subtract and divide without actually doing it. Okay. So that's a good thing that you have achieved in this class. Now find the area of circle. So we have radius as 14 mm. In second case, we have diameter. Let me take this one. In question number 2, they are saying find area of circle whose diameter is given to you as 49 millimeters. So you all know diameter is actually 2r. So 2r is equal to 49 meters. Then what is the value of radius? Class, if diameter is 49, the value of radius is divided by 2. Yes. So r is equal to 49 upon 2 meters. Don't go into decimals right now because decimals may create some problem while solving. Okay, better you take it in this thing only. 24 and half. Okay. Now, area formula we all know is pi r square. The formula of area is pi r square. Now just put the values. I think nothing is given about pi. So what will we take? The value of pi as plus the value of pi we will use here as 22 upon 7 because nothing is mentioned about pi. If it is mentioned that we are going to use 3.14, then only go for that. Multiply with r square, that is 49 upon 2 whole square. In the next step, we can write like this 22 upon 7 multiplied with 49 upon 2 multiplied with 49 upon 2. So continue from word problems. No problem. That's just me do one more two part. Then we'll continue with that. Okay. So 7s are 49, 2 11s are 22. Just we have to multiply these three and divide by 2. So 7, 49 and 11. 7, 11 is 77 upon 42. So why we have taken 49 upon 2? Lavya, if you want, you can find the radius in decimal also. I prefer not to use decimals in calculation because many times we do mistake. If you do the division, it becomes 2 to the 4, 2 4s are 8.5. But Kritika saying, please repeat. Okay. Kritika, Radius was not given to us, diameter was given to us. Okay, so I did was, in the first step I found the radius by dividing by 2. Okay, after that we use the formula area equal to pi r square, where pi I used as 22/7 and the value of r is 49 upon 2. That's why I have done this. Sir, if there is no pi given, then you will take it as 22/7. Yes. Okay. So Kritika, just I solved this and I got this answer in, I think this unit is meter square. Okay. You just have to solve this thing and you will get the answer. Okay. Now let me do some word problems that you may face problem in. Your homework for today is till question number 6. How many questions are there in this exercise? 10. Okay, no, there are more. 17 are there. No? Then try till 9 questions. Class, try till 9 questions today. Sir, R will be given every question. It depends on the question. We will see one by one, don't worry. We will discuss different type of questions. Sir, if pi was in decimal, then we can take radius in decimal form. It depends. If you want to make a calculation easy, you can go for the fraction one. If you don't want, then that is also correct. Sir, but if there is no pi given and if multiple of 7 is there, then what to do? Then use 22/7. I told you, in general, we use pi equal to 22/7 only. Okay, no confusion in that. So what is circumference and area of semicircle? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Again, let's continue with this thing. So we have discussed the first thing. If a circle is given to us with center O and radius R, we have seen the circumference is given by 2 pi r. Area is given by pi r square. What if we are given a semicircular arc? Plus, if we are given a semicircular arc of radius r, tell me what will be the circumference and what will be the area. Suppose you have a bangle and you cut the bangle into 2 equal parts, then what will happen to the formula of circumference? Circumference is the distance covered. Yes, Tushita, very good. Lavya, good. We can see we have just divided the complete path into 2 parts. So complete path length was what? Plus the complete path length of the circle was 2 pi r. Therefore, the length of the semi-arc or the half of that will be 2 pi r upon 2, that is pi r. Is this point clear to you? If a semicircular arc is given to you, the circumference will be given by pi r. Sarvagya, you are not making it 2 times that you are multiplying with 4. We are dividing it in 2 parts. Obviously, the length is going half. What about the area? Earlier, the area was pi r square. Earlier, the area of complete circle was pi r square. What will happen to that? Sir, I want to ask something. One second. Yes, it will be pi r square upon 2. Bunny, wait, I will give you time at the end. You can ask at that time. So we have divided the area by 2. That is area of semicircular arc. One more question is there. This was an example of broken bangle. This was an example of broken bangle in 2 equal parts. Suppose you have a compact disc like this or a chapati like this. If you divide it in 2 parts, what shape you will get? Sir, your voice is breaking in between. It may be network issue. Okay, so if we have a semicircular disc and we divide it in 2 parts, it will look like this. This is your third part, semicircular disc. Class, can you understand why a semicircular disc is different from a semicircular arc? Can you understand the difference between these two? What is the difference between semicircular arc? This was your semicircular arc like a broken bangle, and this is your semicircular disc like a chapati divided in two parts. The difference is here we have this edge also. There we had air. Here it was air. Nothing was there. But here we have a line, proper line over there. So now tell me, what will be your circumference? Anyone? What will be your circumference? Because now if you are starting from this point, you have to reach till here and then you have to come back here also, because circumference is the total boundary. Any idea what will be the circumference of semicircular disc? No idea. Okay. At least we can say that this path we know, plus this path we know. How much is this? This is pi r upon 2. Sorry, it was pi r. So let me divide this complete once again. Again, I'm making the diagram to make you understand. So we desire to make or to find the circumference of semicircular disc. Let me call it A, let me call it B, and this is O. We have to find the path AOB arc plus AB. Can you understand this thing? Circumference of a semicircular disc is given by the sum of length of arc AOB plus the line AB. Is it clear to you? Can we divide the circumference in two parts? Very good, Tushita, you got the answer. Now you can try. Everyone, now you can try what is the formula of circumference of this semicircular disc. Now you can try, because you know already these two things separately. Just add them and that will be your circumference. Tushita gave the correct answer. Others, please try. Yes, it looks like a protector. Good. It is like a protector that we use. And an example of semicircular disc. This arc AOB we have seen is actually pi r plus AB is actually what? Everyone, AB is actually what? Sarvagya, very good. AB is actually your diameter. So pi r plus 2r is the circumference of a semicircular disc. So class, again, you have to compare these two. You have some cases semicircular arc, and in some cases you have semicircular disc. The arc looks like this, where they have nothing. It is like a broken bangle, and the semicircular disc is like this, with center O, radius R properly. Okay. In this, here nothing we have, and here it is solid. It is not hollow. So we have seen the circumference in this case was pi r, and the circumference in this case is pi r plus 2r. The area is pi r square. Sir, can you give me explain arc? Okay, Sarvagya, one second. And the area here will be same. Area will not change. Area will remain the same. Only the circumference is changing in these two. Class, is this clear? Now, let's do the questions. Okay. Let's take one word problem. Question number 3 is fine. If circumference of a circular sheet is 154. Question number 3. If circumference is given to you as 154 meter, find its radius. Radius is not given to you. So class, again we can use the formula and we can find the unknown value. We know circumference is given by 2 pi r. We know this value is 154 meters. We know 2 is 2 only. Pi is what? Plus, what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 by 7. Very good. Into r. R is unknown. So can we find this unknown value by isolating it? Can we find this value easily? Easily we can do. Just make r on the right hand side. It becomes 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11 4s are 2 7s are, and the answer is r equal to 49 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. Have you got this? Class, is this clear? Okay. Now, question number 4. Let's see. Just once again. Question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. This is your R. This is your O. Class, tell me, they are saying a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Then what is the radius? If diameter is 21, the radius is 21 upon 2 meters. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. So class, he wants to fence it. So what they are asking actually, if you are going to find a rope to fence the garden, what you are actually finding? Please tell. Where will you put the rope? Inside the park or outside? It is on the boundary, therefore it is circumference. We have to find the circumference. Now they are saying, if he makes 2 rounds of fence, find the cost of rope. Okay, so we have to do the fencing 2 times. So first, find for 1 time. The circumference is given by the formula plus circumference is given by the formula 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is how much? R is 21 upon 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel. 7 is the 21. What is the circumference, class? What is the circumference? 66 meters. Is it clear to you? So this is the fencing only 1 time. We have to do the fencing how many times? Plus, we have to do the fencing how many times? 2 times. So how much rope is required? So we require, so rope required will be given by 2 into 66, that is 132 meters. Now tell me, what is the cost of this rope? If cost of 1 meter of rope is rupees 4, what is cost of this much length of rope? No divide, Lavya, mistake. Kindly see this thing. So 1 meter rope cost equal to rupees 4. Therefore, 132 meter of rope will cost 4 into 132 rupees. 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 12. Rupees 528 he has to pay to purchase that rope to make it around the garden. Okay, let me stop the recording over here.